Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need an up-to-date inventory of public endpoints and a quick mitigation path. Gather IPs, ports, and expose services now. Once done, enable basic rate limiting and connection caps at your edge router or CDN to stop simple floods. Make sure to register with a DNS provider that supports traffic steering and failover so you can reroute traffic under load. These steps give immediate protection while you prepare stronger, longer-term defenses and alerting. Next, deploy mitigations. Enable CDN and WAF adaptive rules to filter malicious signatures and challenge suspicious clients. At the same time, instrument traffic analytics and anomaly alerts so you detect spikes within seconds. Tune thresholds to reduce false positives. Make sure to enable protocol-specific protections against SYN, UDP, and amplification attacks, and apply geo or IP blocking where legitimate traffic is minimal. Once these are live, validate by simulating load and reviewing logs for expected drops. Finish by automating escalation playbooks. Notify your ISP, CDN, and incident response team automatically when thresholds are crossed. Make sure contacts are current. Regularly test failover, update WAF rules, rotate API keys, and rehearse recovery so you reduce MTTR. If you still become overwhelmed, shift traffic to a scrubbing service and preserve raw logs for post-incident analysis. Troubleshooting tip: if mitigation fails, check for encrypted or slow rate attacks and confirm rate limits are not misconfigured or too permissive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.